Welcome back to the channel. If you've been trading on Deriv, you know that manual trading can be stressful and time-consuming. Today, I'm showing you a game changer for your workflow. We are looking at PivotCore.net, a powerful auto trading platform designed specifically for Deriv users. In this video, I'm going to run a live session using the even-odd strategy. My goal is simple. I'm going to place 10 trades and aim for a 50% win rate to show you how consistent this system can be. If you've been looking for a way to automate your success, stick around. You won't want to miss this. Before we jump into the trades, let's talk about why PivotCore is becoming so popular. This isn't just another bot. It's a streamlined interface that connects directly to your Deriv account. It's built for speed and precision. The beauty of auto trading here is that it removes the emotional element of trading. No more second-guessing your entries or revenge trading. You set your parameters, choose your strategy, like the even-odd one I'm using today, and let the platform handle the execution. It's perfect for both beginners who are just starting and pros who want to scale their operations. For today's session, I'm focusing on the even-odd digit markets. It's a high-frequency strategy that relies on the last digit of the price movement. On PivotCore, setting this up takes less than a minute. I've set my target today for 10 trades. My plan is to win at least 5 of them. In the world of binary and digital options, having a clear plan is the difference between a gambler and a trader. Let's head over to the dashboard and start the session. All right, the first few trades are coming in. You can see how fast the execution is on the PivotCore interface. Trades 1 to 3. We just hit our first win. The reaction time of the bot is impressive. Even when we hit a loss, the system stays disciplined. Trades 4 to 7. We're halfway through. Notice how the platform manages the balance and shows you the real-time results. This transparency is exactly what you need to stay in control of your capital. The final stretch. We are approaching our 10-trade limit. Watching the logic of the even-odd algorithm work in real time shows you the power of automation. And there we have it. We hit our goal. 5 wins out of 10 trades, maintaining a steady balance. This session proves that you don't need a 100% win rate to be a smart trader. You just need the right tools and a disciplined strategy. If you're still trading manually on Deriv, it's time to level up. Head over to PivotCore.net, check out the tools, and see how automation can work for you. I've left the link in the description below. If you found this session helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more live trading tests, and let me know in the comments which strategy you want to see me automate next. Happy trading!